Hello, and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to push a little higher here into this resistance area, not unexpected. In the last video, I gave you one key level to watch for, and that's the $17.07 level. It is the 100% Fibonacci extension of this A wave, which is an ideal target for this C wave. Of course, a C wave can extend a little higher. We've got the entire resistance area to play with in this larger B wave. For anybody who's new on the channel, we're currently viewing this move up as a B wave in a larger A, B, C structure. This would be the primary scenario. I cannot rule out that the wave 4, the idea would be A, B, C in wave 4. Okay, so that basically another move down is needed to complete the overall correction. Support for this C wave is between $9.75 and $12.88. And yeah, it seems likely at this stage that the price will retest that box again. The support area was already triggered here on the 17th of November. And because that's the case, I cannot rule out that the wave 4 is already over. That's why we've got these support areas. Okay, so it can absolutely be that this wave 4 is already over, but the move up so far doesn't really look impulsive. It rather looks corrective. Also, this triangle pattern would rather suggest that this is just an A, B, C structure that's unfolding here. So nothing clearly bullish at the moment there. Short term, yes, but we expected a higher B wave, remember. So at the moment, it's not doing anything unusual, and I would even watch for higher prices still within this C wave of a B wave. Resistance goes all the way up to $18.30, and the price can use this entire area if it needs it. Okay, only above $18.30, I basically have some evidence that already the wave 5 is unfolding, and that probably wave 4 already completed here on the 17th of November. It would have been a very shallow wave 4 and also very short in duration, especially if we compare it with the length and the depth of wave 2, which unfolded between July and September. But yeah, at the moment, we see the prices already facing some difficulties, pushing through resistance here, which is absolutely okay. Bitcoin, I think, looking quite good today. I think it might have just made a new 2023 high. Would need to double check that. While LINK is getting rejected here at the 88.7 Fib level. Doesn't mean this move up is over. No, the level that I gave you in the last video, I think, is still valid, but we can just double check it. So we can track micro support. It's at $15.25. So against that level, the focus can still be on higher. Just be aware we're now in a resistance area. And at any point now, the move down can start, even though it seems likely that we get maybe to the $17 level or $16.61, which is the November high before doing so. So short term, I would still watch for higher prices until $15.25 breaks. This micro support level needs to be constantly adjusted with the price, which means that if the price pushes higher, I have to move that support area higher as well. Confirmation that the C wave to the downside has started will not be obtained until we get a break below $14.26, which is this end of the triangle, the E wave low basically. Yeah, I don't think there is much more to add, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content, and you can find the links for those channels in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.